Hey guys, I know you can probably barely hear me, but a little update on the Cub. We'll take you on a ride about. You ain't gonna be able to hear me much, but you probably didn't want to anyway. But at least this way we get to go a little bit around, show you some things. So in case you couldn't hear me at the start, the old Cub's up and running and the duck's doing good. I'll take you on a little bit further of a walkabout around. We got Bible study coming up here in a couple of hours. A good friend of mine, Kenny, back where I used to come from, fixed the belt on the mower for me so I could focus my attention on things, and does a pretty good job of the yard, guys. Aside from that, I've got the engine for my car, I've got the donor car, and we're gonna get to see all that when things come on. But for right now, that's what's going on. Give you an update on the Cub and see what happens. Everybody have that problem with the Cub, especially after you hit a tree or something. You have one of your hinges break loose down there. Yeah. And I know these are the Cubs that supposedly implode, but it's done me right. It's the best mower I've ever had. So, catch y'all later. Hopefully, I get some content out of this. Peace, guys.